farming has come a long way from the days of manual labor and traditional tools. Today, technology is shaping the future of agriculture, making it more efficient, productive, and sustainable. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and drone technology is revolutionizing the way crops are grown, monitored, and harvested, bringing a new era of precision farming. With the growing global demand for food and the increasing challenges posed by climate change, farmers are turning to high-tech solutions. AI-driven analytics help make informed decisions, while drones provide real-time data on soil health, irrigation, and crop conditions. These innovations are enhancing productivity while minimizing waste and resource usage. But what exactly do AI and drones bring to the table? How are they changing the agricultural landscape? In this video, we'll explore how these cutting-edge technologies are reshaping U.S. farming and what it means for the future of food production. How AI is revolutionizing agriculture. Artificial intelligence is at the forefront of modern agriculture, enabling farmers to make smarter decisions based on real-time data. AI-powered software analysis soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health, providing precise recommendations on irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This reduces costs and improves yields significantly. Machine learning algorithms can detect plant diseases before they spread, allowing for early intervention. AI-driven sensors and imaging technology identify issues like nutrient deficiencies or pest infestations, ensuring that farmers can take immediate corrective measures. This leads to healthier crops and higher efficiency in farming operations. AI is also transforming livestock management by monitoring animal health and predicting disease outbreaks. By analyzing feeding patterns, temperature fluctuations, and movement, AI helps optimize farming operations, leading to higher efficiency and sustainability. Drones in farming. A game-changer. Drones have become a game-changer in modern farming, providing real-time aerial insights that were once impossible to obtain. These high-tech devices can survey thousands of acres in minutes, capturing high-resolution images and infrared data to assess crop health, soil conditions, and hydration levels. Precision spraying is another major advantage of drone technology. Unlike traditional methods, which can lead to overuse of fertilizers and pesticides, drones apply these substances precisely where they are needed. This not only reduces costs but also minimizes environmental impact by preventing chemical runoff into water sources. With advancements in AI integration, drones are becoming even more autonomous. They can monitor weather conditions, predict outbreaks of pests, and adjust flight patterns accordingly. This level of automation helps farmers make better decisions while reducing the need for manual labor. The precision agriculture and smart irrigation. Precision agriculture is about using technology to maximize productivity while minimizing resource use. Smart irrigation systems, powered by AI and IoT, Internet of Things, optimize water usage by analyzing weather forecasts, soil moisture levels, and crop requirements. This ensures crops receive the exact amount of water needed, reducing waste and conserving resources. Soil sensors play a crucial role in precision farming. These devices monitor pH levels, moisture content, and nutrient availability, providing farmers with actionable insights. This allows them to make timely decisions on fertilization and irrigation, improving overall efficiency and sustainability. The integration of AI, drones, and precision agriculture tools is transforming traditional farming methods. By adopting these technologies, farmers can increase yields while using fewer resources, making agriculture more sustainable and profitable. Benefits of AI and drone technology for farmers. The benefits of AI and drone technology in agriculture go beyond increased efficiency. These innovations help farmers reduce costs, optimize labor, and minimize environmental impact. With AI-driven analytics, farmers can make data-backed decisions that lead to higher profitability. AI and drones also contribute to sustainability by reducing water usage, cutting down on chemical applications, and promoting healthier soil management. With precise monitoring, farmers can significantly lower their carbon footprint while maintaining high-quality crop production. In the face of labor shortages, automation through AI and drones ensures that farming remains productive and scalable. These technologies empower farmers to do more with less, making agriculture more resilient for future generations. Challenges and future of high-tech farming. Despite its advantages, high-tech farming comes with its own set of challenges. The initial investment costs for AI and drone technology can be high, making it difficult for small-scale farmers to adopt these innovations. Training and technical expertise are also necessary to fully leverage these tools. Another challenge is data security and connectivity. With AI-driven solutions relying on cloud computing and internet connectivity, rural areas with limited access to high-speed internet may face difficulties in implementation. However, the future of high-tech farming looks promising. As technology becomes more affordable and accessible, even small farmers will be able to harness the power of AI and drones to enhance their operations. The continuous advancements in machine learning and automation will drive the next phase of agricultural innovation. Conclusion and final thoughts: high-tech farming is no longer a concept of the future, it is happening now. AI and drones are transforming the agricultural landscape, increasing efficiency, and making farming more sustainable. As technology evolves, the possibilities for innovation in agriculture are endless. Whether it's AI-powered analytics, drone-assisted monitoring, or precision irrigation, these tools are helping farmers meet the growing demands of food production while preserving resources. The adoption of high-tech farming is a necessary step towards a smarter, more sustainable.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.